Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're really excited to tell you about our brand new 3rd generation LED Raptor grill light kits. Now our 2nd generation were already the absolute best option when you were adding lights to that front end of your truck, but we've upped the game in every category. Firstly, we've added COB, our chip on board technology, to this generation 3 Raptor grill light kit. So what that means for you is you're gonna get a full linear light experience. So you're not gonna have any hot spotting, or there's no need of any bulky plastic lenses to try and cover up light diodes. You're gonna get a seamless amber light, and that's gonna definitely give you the best look on the front end of your truck. It's also allowed us to tweak the amber output and give it that perfect amber without any yellow hues or anything else that you wouldn't want in that light. The COB tech has also allowed us to increase the brightness of this 3rd generation when compared to the prior 2nd generation. Plus, we now have a amber underlayer in the light itself. So what that's gonna do for you is even when the lights are not powered on, you're gonna be able to have those amber accents visible in the grill. We've also made many improvements to the build quality throughout the kit. Starting with the light housing itself, we made it much more resistant to harsh weather conditions, moisture, and even striking. Plus the front plate now has a smoke lens, which gives it a premium nice look when it's attached to the front end of your truck. We've also made the adhesion material much stronger than the prior 2nd generation models. For the harness, we've given it IP69 compression fittings. So this is gonna only improve the weather sealing for the entirety of the kit. Plus, these mini compressions make it easier to route the cabling throughout your grill and engine bay. Speaking of cabling, we've added thermal braided sheathing for protection throughout the entire harness, as well as inline fuse protection. Our Gen 3 kits also include our new easy T-tap connectors, so that's gonna make connecting your harness to your truck easier than ever. We're always striving to develop new products that are gonna make you safer, help you stand out, and improve your performance. But it's also a goal of ours to improve the products that you already love. All the upgrades that we talked about on this 3rd generation LED Raptor grill kit came directly from your feedback. We can't wait for you to get them in your hands, to get them on your truck, and see how much that you're gonna love them. You can check them out today at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford truck. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to stay up to date with the latest and greatest LED products for your Ford truck. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to serving you soon. Thanks, guys.